Shubor nakaslem jong unongsan hima.
Ka National People's Party bat ka National People's Youth Front haka khadwai tarik unopra arajar arpuai kalapenlong da kajingya thang mombati haplau jong ka office NPP hasilong ban penramjur halor kajingjia kasau tarik unopra Hamon District kajela Nagaland hakajing syaksiat yap hak sipai AFSPA Armed Forces Special Power Act hakan ka sengit thang mombati kila dawaru nak sarkar pedang ban penkriya no yakite kahun sipai nakte ka jaka nehaboro kawai kanot is
Disember Hamon District ya ba kalai kiminsim kalai ngut kiminsim ladu no harjing tombor dakani ka seng bong ka aspa I battalion ba lapai I napo Delhi I kerpat bat ai katakan masih ba kinweng no yakani ka aspa nang ni na timing ijungi not is bro away nang ba ibru jungi ki yosong suk chongsan khamtam harjing saban ibru balului bat kawan lu kamen sim aba ibru balului saban kum kene jingja kumi ki samla idon kamen sim ban phais kum koi khmat pat bat kunu ko rukom begini le persya ya kan ini aspa rengi kepadur ya ka sarkar pedeng bahkan wengno ya kan ditahan kabla bu ingi hane apa no is kamtam mengi isamla idan kata mesim apa shithem antri namanta iduk kisuk kirangli juki andre dawan kum kini ki an ban kawan mesim ingi ban pene ialah kami berjeda, amata hidup Islam. Tentang kawan kau berkadu, penghab yang lalu jong kejat, berjeda mungkin ini jagian. Ingkerpat, bah kesorat pedang kan baik bah. Kini kian, benweng no si sendan nani anu isung.
Tuajong tu kekelimat bagi caksia. Kadnu kiarwai kia kemen halai jong kikam. Henry. Lengba jong di kaan EFSP la takhat buat ya keciem jong ki balului bat ya kan yang asmo kata ketas tiang kata kungwe ulung kikam jong ke parti NPP kumnong song senong jong ke jalan megalia bat kungwe ulung song senong Joka dot easy jogi ngas ngoba lakum no ya ka ASFPA di panweng mardor namar balai kanton ka jikata nang ni syahban khamtam iki samla kibom jurong ka jingmot ki balengkot yo kan poi sa ka jabla tena kata daw lengba ini jingkram khadiat agar bat bahwa sarkar pedek lakum no kan perkhar asir pan wengno shisdon yakanika act
candlelight vigil in remembrance of the 14 innocent civilians who were brutally gunned down by security forces in Nagaland. This is really something that as a party we want to express to our brothers and our sisters in Nagaland that what has happened is so unfortunate and we condemn it in the highest possible manner. And today, as we light these candles, we want to express our solidarity with our brothers and our sisters in Nagaland. We would like to send out our condolences to the bereaved families, some of whom have lost their major bread earner. And this is really something that has brought into focus the whole discussion about the Armed Forces Special Powers Act, the draconian nature of the AFSPA, the way that despite many justifications for its imposition in the Northeast, it has, on the contrary, worked against bringing about peace. Despite the many times that people of the Northeast have voiced their objection to AFSPA in the Northeast, and also our party, the NPP, which has always been very vocal against AFSPA, nothing has happened. But today, I believe that 14 of our brothers who have lost their lives, this should not go in vain. We must all stand united, not just people of Meghalaya, but all the people of Northeast, all our brothers and sisters there, not just the people of Nagaland, to come together, to stand united, and to say with one voice that we do not want the AFSPA, we want it repealed. And this is also a moment for us to appeal to the government of India that AFSPA should be repealed. And we maintain this stand that we have, that we are against AFSPA, and for too long have our people suffered, for too long has this draconian law been misused by security forces under the garb of this so-called empowering act, people have faced so many incidents of torture, of rape, of human rights abuse, and it is time that we should all stand united for the removal of AFSPA from the Northeast. As we light these candles, all my brothers, all my sisters in the NPYF, in the National People's Party, we send out a message of solidarity, and we send out our messages of condolences to our brothers and sisters in Nagaland. Thank you so much once again to NPYF for taking this initiative to organize this candlelight vigil. And once again, thank you. Kublai Shubal.